Hey everybody, wanted to give you another market update. So here we are again. Markets are near all-time highs. The S&P and the Nasdaq are knocking on the door again, and small caps have been leading the way. The last couple of weeks, they've been the leading factor of the majority of the growth that we've had. Investors are optimistic about the Fed doing a rate cut in September. Powell's upcoming Jackson Hole speech is supposed to set the tone for that. Um, the thing with the Fed is they've been all over the place this year. They said they were going to do rate cuts, then they said they weren't. Then they said they were going to do one in July, and then they decided not to. So we'll see what happens next month with the rate cut. But investors seem to be optimistic about that. Earnings were stronger than expected as well. A lot of companies delivered double-digit profit growth, and they are showing resilience in retail sales. Consumer spending is still strong. Consumer spending is still supporting the economy, even with higher prices and inflation. Now, all of that's good. There are still some challenges that we need to watch. Pressure from inflation is still hanging around. Producer prices are running hotter than originally expected. And companies have tempered their outlook going forward, citing concerns about tariffs. Speaking of tariffs, there's still some uncertainty around that. The White House extended China's tariff deadline and has floated the idea of 300% tariffs on semiconductors. So I say all that to say the market is in a good spot. The market is very strong. However, we could have some volatility here in the near future. A lot of things are dependent on what happens with these rate cuts, tariffs, and just the economy in general. Um, if you are investing for the long haul, don't let the short term scare you out of the market. If you need help developing a plan, staying in a plan, you need someone to talk you off the edge, feel free to give us a call here at the Templeton Group. We would love to help you out. Okay, now for the disclaimer. The opinions voiced in this video are for general information only and are not intended to provide specific advice or recommendations for any individual. All performance referenced is historical and is no guarantee of future results. All indices are unmanaged and may not be invested into directly. Economic forecasts may not develop as predicted, and there can be no guarantee that strategies promoted will be successful.